This is the guava. Oh yes. This hit the spot. This actually smells better than the it smells better than the pineapple. It smells really good. You know this, I don't know. I think I'm gonna implement.
You're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, all right, one more time. Hey guys. Okay, all right, ready. I'm gonna stop laughing. Ready now. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a product review on these essential oils. So if you want to see the video, stay tuned. But before we get started, make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, you guys can go ahead and follow my Instagram page, the link, or you'll see my Instagram right here. So you guys can go ahead and follow my Instagram. So let's get into the video. I got it on Amazon. So this is the name of the product. It's called Sweet Fruit. It's an essential oil and it's 100% natural pure grade, and it's 60 ml, so 2 ounces. Then I'm gonna just open it for you. It comes well packaged. And then when you open it, you have like a little pamphlet and it tells you the benefit of each oil. So right here I have 6 essential oils. The ones that I have are passion fruit, strawberry, green apple, fig, watermelon, and pineapple. But on this it tells you that they have 7 DIY essential oil blends. And then it tells you what each are good for, like what are their benefits. So right here it says the strawberry and the pineapple, it promote metabolic, so it helps with your metabolic system. The fig and the green apple, it soothes and it's for allergic skin. The passion fruit and green apple, it relieves tension. The green apple and guava boost positivity feeling. Guava and strawberry soothe mind and regulate mood. The pineapple and fig, it uplifts spirits. And passion fruit and pineapple, it relaxes mind and improves sleep. So it says right here, you just have like a little notation where it tells you above mixed usage is for preference use. You can use it singular, or you can mix them, or you can mix it as it says, or mix it as to your preference. So this is everything. And then at the back it tells you you're gonna get 100% satisfactory. If you don't get 100, if you're not satisfied 100%, you can reach out to the company and let them know. But if you're satisfied, you can go ahead on Amazon and rate them. So it shows you right here. So now let's try them. I'm telling you, like, I used the pineapple and I'm telling you, I had the best. I only used the pineapple though when I made my, I don't know if this video is going to go up before the video that I made the other day, but I made a scrub, like, it's not a scrub, I made a lotion or a body butter with shea butter and MSM, all sorts of mixture, and then I put this pineapple in it. I bathed and then I use it, lather it on my body. And I'm telling you, I had the best night sleep. I had the best night sleep. And yeah, I had the best night's sleep. I was wondering how I slept so good. It like I felt so at peace. My body felt relief. There was no like the tension. There was no tension. Tension decreased and everything. And the scents are very strong. Like you can, it actually, like, you know how sometimes you buy essential oils or you buy certain things and they said that it's supposed to smell like that thing, and it doesn't smell like it. But this oil, I'm telling you, these oils, you don't even have to open it and you actually smell the pineapple, you know. So yeah, so this is how it looks. It smells really good. I really love the smell. It's very strong. So if you're gonna use it, don't use like too much, maybe 2 or 3 drops. Yeah, and it's 100% pure essential oil, and it's 10 ml per bottle. So this one is that, and then let's see if I can take out all of them. This one is the passion fruit. Smell the passion fruit. I didn't smell the passion fruit. I only smell the pineapple because I know I really like pineapple. So I just put the pineapple in the thing. But I'm telling you, the pineapple smells really good. That one is my favorite. So let me smell the passion fruit for you guys and see. Okay. It does have the smell of passion fruit and it is strong, but I still prefer the pineapple. Let me smell the fig. Okay. So the fig, for me, it's not a fruity flavor. It doesn't smell fruity. It's just like a fresh scent. You know, like when you wash your clothes and you use like Febreze or something like that. Febreze or Sea Breeze. That's how, I guess that's how figs smell. I don't know. Like, that's how it smells to me. It doesn't really have a scent. So now let's put the pineapple in because we already used that one. So I'm gonna try this one. This one is the strawberry. The strawberry, I don't really like it. It's kind of smell minty. But it does have the strawberry smell, but it smells minty also. All right, this is the guava. Oh yes. This hit the spot. This actually smells better than the it smells better than the pineapple. It smells really good. You know this, I don't know. I think I'm gonna insert like a picture right here or something. But you know those candy. I don't know if you was brought up in Jamaica or in the Caribbean. You remember those candy where it have it's like red paper and then it have the black the white dots like strawberry, the strawberry candy like, and then they have the guava flavor. Yeah, this smell exactly like it. So like when I'm smelling this, it give me back like a Jamaica vibe, you know. Yeah, this is really good. I'm gonna start using this one, and then you can use it in like in your lotions or anything externally. Yeah, this thing is so nice. This is so nice. This one, I love this one. I love this one. So let me put this one and this together. I'm gonna put the ones that I like the best next to each other. So the pineapple and the guava are my favorite. So now I'm gonna just try the green apple so you guys can know what are my thoughts on it. Okay, I don't really know how green apple smells, so but I guess it smells like green apple. I don't know. It smells good though. It smells sweet and fresh at the same time. Yeah, it have that sweet calming feeling to it. It smells good. Yeah, I think, yeah, like this essential oil, I don't think you can go wrong with it. I don't think you can go wrong with it because I think this one was, I think it was like, I remember like $12 or so, or $13. I'll insert how much it was on Amazon so you guys can see the exact price. I don't want to tell you guys any lie, but it wasn't expensive, and the essential oils actually smell like what it says it's in the bottle. So you guys will love this. You guys are not going to have any, so you guys are not going to have like any dissatisfaction of using this essential oil. And they said that you can use it in candles, like lotions and so on and so forth. It's not right here, but yeah, let me see right here. I just tell you where to contact. Okay, so for the caution, you're supposed to use only externally, and then avoid contact with oil. Avoid contact with eye. Keep out of reach of children. Avoid direct sunlight. In early pregnancy, women, children, allergy to this product should not use. And then you want to place in a ventilated, cool place. So yeah, so this that's for this product. I will highly recommend it if you're doing like candle making, soap making, you know, or you want to put it in your lotion, anything like that, or your oil, body oil. You can use this product. It smells really good. It have a very feminine smell, and yeah. And if you want to use it for other reason, like what it says right here, where if you want to use it to boost your metabolic system, or you want to use it to sleep, or to have a positive mind or energy, you can use it, and you won't go wrong. There's like what can you do to, you know, this is, it smells good and everything. So I guess that is the end of this video. That is the end of my review for this product. It smells good, it's cheap. What else can I say? I love it. I love it. So if you guys want to see more of this content of me reviewing other products, stay tuned, and comment down below, share my video, like my video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.